Saylor Strategy rolls out $100 Bitcoin stretch preferred stock with 9% yield. Bitcoin. Saylor Strategy. Saylor Strategy is offering yield to bring investors into Bitcoin, but critics say STRC's 9% returns depend on constant new inflows, making it feel like a system where new investors fund old ones. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated, July 22, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews Strategy, the digital asset-focused firm led by Saylor and known as the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, is launching a new financial product designed to raise $500 million for further BTC accumulation. The company announced plans to conduct an initial public offering of a new class of preferred stock called the Variable Rate Series of Perpetual Stretch Preferred Stock, or STRC. Strategy unveils $500 million preferred stock offering to boost Bitcoin holdings. According to the filing with the U.S. SEC, Strategy plans to sell 5 million shares of its STRC preferred stock at $100 each. Proceeds will be directed toward general corporate purposes, with additional Bitcoin purchases explicitly mentioned as a priority. Unlike previous convertible debt issuances, this offering gives yield-seeking investors a new entry point without diluting common shareholders. The STRC shares will offer a 9% annual dividend, paid monthly starting August 31, 2025. The company retains flexibility to adjust the rate based on market shifts and the 1-month SOFR benchmark, though caps are in place to prevent abrupt reductions. Importantly, any missed dividends will accrue and compound until paid. To maintain price stability, Strategy says it will aim to keep STRC shares trading close to their $100 par value by dynamically managing dividend payouts. Shareholders are protected with structured exit options. If a fundamental change occurs, such as a merger or restructuring, holders can demand a buyback at $100 plus accrued dividends. Other redemption triggers include a tax event, or if the number of outstanding shares falls below 25% of the original issuance. A listing date has yet to be announced. Strategy emphasized that issuance timing will depend on market conditions and that dividends are not guaranteed. They will only be distributed when legally permissible and at the discretion of the board. Strategy's $STRC preferred stock draws praise and pyramid scheme warnings across crypto community. Following its July 14 announcement of acquiring 4,225 additional BTC, Strategy has doubled down on its aggressive Bitcoin strategy with a new financial product that's drawing both intrigue and concern across the crypto and traditional finance worlds. According to Bitcoin author Adam Livingston, the newly launched $STRC is neither traditional equity nor debt. Instead, he describes it as a new financial life form, engineered to rapidly convert fiat into Bitcoin, while paying a variable monthly dividend starting at 9% annually. Strategy retains the ability to adjust the rate each month to keep the share price hovering near $100. You're not buying stock, Livingston wrote Monday on X. You're buying a yield-targeted Bitcoin conduit. The product gives Strategy a mechanism to absorb capital and dollar cost average into Bitcoin while preserving the option to redeem preferred shares once BTC appreciates. Enthusiasts see this as a novel tool to align Bitcoin exposure with flexible income streams. But not everyone is convinced. Critics argue that STRC's structure closely resembles a pyramid-like system, relying on continuous inflows of new capital to sustain high dividend payouts. Veteran crypto analyst Germ Crypto dismissed the innovation narrative, warning, "Actually, what it's building is a ton of future liabilities for the common shareholder to absorb, especially during a bear market. I wouldn't own MSTR common stock if you gave it to me." Skeptics point out that STRC isn't backed by any hard maturity, doesn't grant equity upside, and lacks the legal protections of debt. The variable dividend, while attractive, could quickly become a liability if Bitcoin's price falters. This creates what some view as hidden leverage, with returns appearing stable on the surface but underpinned by escalating obligations if market sentiment shifts. Longtime Bitcoin critic Peter Schiff went further, calling the product a financial house of cards, comparing it to a modernized pyramid scheme. Such criticism draws on fears that the product pays returns not from generated yield, but from the proceeds of new investors, a structure that, while legal under current SEC rules, raises ethical and financial red flags. Strategy's Bitcoin reserves now total 601,550 BTC, acquired at an average price of $71,268, amounting to a staggering $42.87 billion in total outlay. In 2025 alone, Strategy's Bitcoin-related yield has reportedly reached 20.2%. To finance its aggressive expansion, the company sold nearly 2 million shares of common and preferred stock between July 7th and July 13th, raising $472.3 million in net proceeds. The majority, $330.9 million, came from common stock, with additional capital raised via preferred instruments STRK, STRF, and STRD, offering annual dividends between 8% and 10%. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. XRP positioned for trillions in global liquidity. Can XRP overtake Bitcoin? XRP price prediction. XRP flips McDonald's in market cap. Could XRP reach $100,000? XRP news prediction. XRP breaks through the historical high of $3.60, with a short-term target of $4. Press releases. Say goodbye to hoarding XRP. Under the Genius Act, top-notch crypto boosts XRP cloud mining. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Cardano by the end of 2025. July 16, 2025, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Solana by the end of 2025. 1 day ago, by Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 23 hours ago, by Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in on July 22, 2025. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.